Welcome back to NYSE TV Live, everyone. I'm Kristen Scholler down here on the floor of the stock exchange, joined now by the bell ringer himself, Allan Merrill, Chair, CEO, and President of Beazer Homes. Allan, welcome.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
We're so happy to have you here today. 30 years listed as an NYSE company. Congratulations. And why was this the right month to celebrate?
So we're excited about being 30 years, but this is National Energy Awareness Month, and we wanted to ring in that month because that's a big part of what we do as a company.
How does that factor into what you're doing in the homes that you're creating?
So we're building what are called zero energy ready homes, which are the most energy efficient homes in the country. They're 40 or 50% more efficient than regular code built homes. Saves consumers an awful lot of money, but we're the only ones doing it.
I want to talk more about the pricing that you're seeing on the supply chain. Of course, we had two inflation reports back to back yesterday and this morning. Have prices eased at all? What are some of those trends?
So for us, we really are focused on affordability for our home buyers. So we have long-term relationships, multi-year agreements with our primary trade suppliers. So we're not as affected by day-to-day, week-to-week adjustments. I can say over the last year, we have seen some downward pressure in commodity prices, and that's certainly been helpful, and we've been able to pass that on to home buyers.
I know you do build in some areas, at least in the South, and of course we've been covering Hurricane Milton, Hurricane Helene of late as well. How does your company react to something like that? What is the business impact?
Well, it actually starts with site selection. We want to make sure that we're building in the most resilient places that we can, and then it's the land development of the sites that we develop, that we make sure that they're up high enough so that they're not affected by storm surges, and then it's about the materials we put in the home. But when a big storm like Milton is coming, we close our sites and our offices days in advance, secure the sites, and then we make sure that our team gets home to take care of their families well in advance of the storm.
Affordability has been such a key component of this housing story of late, really since 2022. How are your homes trying to make it more affordable for the average person to really get in?
Well, energy efficiency is sort of that unseen cost in home ownership by a lot of home buyers. So reducing energy costs by 50% makes a huge difference, and it makes home ownership attainable for a group of people that otherwise wouldn't.
Allan Merrill, thank you so much for joining. Congratulations. 30 years listed here at the New York Stock Exchange. It's great to see. Again, Allan is the CEO of Beazer Homes.